Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my home. This power hour is full of cleaning motivation for you guys as Dylan has taken the kids for an hour. So I'm going to clean the kitchen, the laundry, all of our living spaces. I'm going to steam clean, vacuum and also do some organizing. Today's Clean With Me is also a special one because it's in collaboration with one of my really good friends here on YouTube, Georgina. I'm going to let her introduce herself now.
Hey everyone, my name is Georgina. I am a single mum of two wonderful little boys and my channel consists of home content like lifestyle, cleaning videos, organizational videos, tours and a lot of beauty content as well. If you like the sounds of my channel, I hope that you would consider subscribing to me. It would mean so much to me. It really helps to grow my channel and motivates me even more to make more content, which I really enjoy doing. I also quickly want to say thank you to Ashley for collaborating with me on this video. I feel so lucky to do this with you and I've loved seeing how your channel has just taken off and your editing style and how much work you put into your channel. I really find it very motivational for me to do the same for my channel as well. So I just want to say a big thank you to Ashley and thank you everyone for watching my video.
So once you're done watching this power hour clean with me today, I would love it if you watch Georgina's video by clicking the link in the description box below. Let her know that I sent you and of course subscribe to her channel. Send her all that love. And if you're coming over from Georgina's channel or you're just new to my home today, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm of course Ashley. I'm 29 years old and I'm from Canberra, Australia. I have over 10 years experience in the hospitality industry and I have a certificate 3 in business administration. However, over the last 3 years I haven't been doing that. I've been a stay-at-home mom, raising my 2 babies. It's very easy for me in this mum life to get very caught up in not having a lot of time for myself and not making a lot of time for myself. So having this YouTube channel means more to me than you guys know. It's a place that is just mine and a place that I can come and just be creative. So here on my channel, of course, there's a lot of cleaning motivation and a lot of homemaking inspiration. So if you're into that kind of content, I would love it if you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and that way you know when I upload because it is somewhat sporadic. And of course, give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. But let's get focused more on the cleaning for this video and let a little bit of the music play. I will shut up for a hot minute.
Don't know right from wrong and your lines have all been blurred. Is it me, is it you, or is it something I deserve? 'Cause everyone else knows the children of the world. We are the children of the world. We're going up, up, up. Things are coming.
As I'm still in the process of unpacking, yes, I haven't unpacked everything yet because I don't have a home for everything and that's very frustrating to me, but I couldn't find something last night and I absolutely tore apart the boxes trying to look for it. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it. It's a tiny little cord, so I'm not surprised, but I do have to get on top of it. That's why there was all that stuff on top of the microwave, and this is a tiny little thing I can do right now, but it's going to make a big difference later to my mental health and to my sanity.
We're going up, up, up. Things are coming our way. We are the children of the world. We're rising up, up, up. It's a brand new day. Whoa, 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 whoa.
am filming this video in the morning. The kids have had their breakfast, we've had family time, and then Dylan has taken them to the park, so I need to clean up all their mess. That's what all this is from and why the kitchen was as bad as it was.
We are the children of the world. We are the children of the world. We're rising up, it's a brand new day.
The kids aren't here, so I'm actually going to tackle a task that I wouldn't usually do. And I was gifted a handheld steam cleaner from Kmart as a housewarming gift when we moved into this house. So I would like to tackle the curtains and give the couch a once over. Plus the kids and I were jumping all over the couch this morning, so the cover needs to be like put back into its place and made look nice. I'm also just like a little bit over the couch cover. Now that I know that I'm happy with the couch cover, I'm going to invest in a really good one. But any of the areas of the couch that I can't be stuffed to put back into place or that doesn't look very nice, I'm a big fan of putting a blanket over it. Also, this steam cleaner from Kmart, I am severely impressed with it, especially for the price. It's time to clean the laundry closet, and I also need to make space for my new steam cleaner. So I'm going to move some space out of the way. And this tub that I cleaned earlier in the video, which I was hand washing, is from our oats. I don't want to use that in our pantry. It's way too big for our tiny pantry. But now that we've eaten through all the oats, I've obviously got a free container. So I'm creating a label and I'm going to reorganize and clean this space.
How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same. What will it take? Why the wait? Up and down, I'm losing ground. Pretender, tell me what to believe. I ain't got a sweet tooth for lying. Spender, show me how to succeed. My wallet is spreading thin. Oh, ooh, ooh, what to do? I am me.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to check out Georgina's video by clicking the link in the description box below. And again, if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the next one, which won't be too long at all. I love you guys. Bye.